What term is used to describe the movement of water vapor from the soil to the atmosphere? Evaporation, transpiration, condensation. Transpiration is the movement of water from the root system through the plant and its release into the air as water vapor. This release occurs through stomata in the plant. Factors such as plant type, soil type, weather conditions, and water content, as well as growing methods, can affect the rate of evaporation. What mountain peak is the highest in the world? Everest, K2, Annapurna. Mount Everest, also known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, is the world's highest mountain peak, with a height of 8,848 meters, 29,032 feet above sea level. It is located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and Tibet. What term is used to describe the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Inertia, gravity, centrifugal force. Gravity is the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun. It is a universal force that acts between all masses in the universe. The force of gravity depends on the masses of the objects and the distance between them. The closer the objects are to each other, the stronger the gravitational pull between them. The force of gravity keeps planets in orbit around the Sun and also causes objects to fall to the ground. Who do you think has more bones, adults or infants? Adults? Infants? Newborns have approximately 100 more bones than adults. This is because some of the bones in infants are more like cartilage in structure. As they grow, the cartilage ossifies and changes its structure. In this process, bones fuse together to form the adult skeleton. This applies not only to the body skeleton. The skull of a newborn is also divided into separate bones, allowing the head to pass through the birth canal. What term is used to describe the process by which a solid turns directly into a gas? Evaporation, sublimation, condensation. Sublimation is the process by which a solid turns directly into a gas, bypassing the liquid stage. This can occur due to the addition of thermal energy, causing the solid to gain enough energy to become gas in the air. Examples of substances that can undergo sublimation include dry ice, solid carbon dioxide, and naphthalene mothballs. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Vatican City, Nauru, Monaco. The Vatican City is an independent city-state located in Rome, Italy. It serves as the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church and has an area of only 0.44 square kilometers, making it the smallest country in the world by area. What term is used to describe the process of converting gaseous nitrogen in the air into a form that can be used by plants? Nitrification, denitrification, nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the process by which atmospheric nitrogen N2 is converted into a form that can be used by plants, such as ammonia NH3 or nitrates number 3. This process is carried out by certain bacteria in the soil, including rhizobia, which live in symbiotic relationships with plants such as legumes, or by the impact of lightning. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra, Sydney, Melbourne. Canberra is the capital of Australia, located in the Australian Capital Territory. It is the seat of the Australian government and is home to many of the country's most important political and cultural institutions. What term is used to describe the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas? Evaporation, condensation, sublimation. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas. This can occur due to the addition of thermal energy, causing water molecules to gain enough energy to escape into the air as water vapor. Who composed the opera, The Barber of Seville? Gioacchino Rossini, Ruggero Leoncavallo, Pietro Mascagni. The Barber of Seville is an opera by the Italian composer Gioacchino Rossini. It was first performed in 1816 and is one of the most popular operas in the world. The work captivates with its wit, virtuosic vocal parts, and unexpected plot twists, characteristic of traditional Italian operatic style. What is North Sentinel Island notable for? The island is home to a completely wild tribe, a rapidly developing tourist destination. The Sentinelese language is recognized as one of the most difficult languages in the world. North Sentinel Island is the homeland and residence of the Sentinelese people, Aborigines who reject any contact with people outside their civilization. Their population is currently estimated at approximately between 15 and 40 individuals. Local authorities have reported no intentions of interfering with the lives of the Sentinelese and their habitat due to the danger of introducing diseases to which the Sentinelese have no immunity. Which English king was nicknamed the Lionheart? Charles I, Richard I, Henry E. The image of the English king Richard I the Lionheart is shrouded in an aura of romance and bravery. His name was often mentioned in medieval epics as a hero of legends and novels. But, when we turn to history, things aren't as rosy. The nickname, the Lionheart, was given to the king not for outstanding bravery, but for incredible ruthlessness. During the Third Crusade, Richard I captured the city of Acre and ordered the execution of 2,700 prisoners.